In this video, I will guide you on how to add write-offs on TurboTax. Write-offs reduce your taxable income. The lower taxable income, the less tax you pay. The first thing you want to do is open TurboTax and log into your account. Now continue or start your tax return. Head over to Deductions and Credits. This is where all the write-offs are added. Common deduction categories include business expenses, education expenses, medical, charitable donations, home office use. Go ahead and select one. Then select the relevant category, input your expenses, input amount, details, dates if needed, then follow the on-screen prompts. Now, TurboTax may suggest additional deductions based on your answers. Make sure to check and include anything applicable. View all entries carefully. Ensure accuracy to avoid issues, then save that and continue. Your deductions will now be applied. Your tax liability may be reduced. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.